this is the beginning of a video. Would you not keep watching?
It's not bad.
Held our 2023 Alright. Winners are I don't want to know. We held our third annual 2023 restoration contest, and the winners are amazing! Whoa! Are you recording?